A beginner's guide to freelance writing. Freelance writing is producing written content, which is sold to news organizations, advertising agencies, magazine publishers, company blogs, and more. As a freelance writer, you may be asked to work on short-term, recurring, or long-term assignments. To get started, check out the following steps. First, begin by picking your niche. For beginners, think of what you'd love to write about, say, e-commerce industry, to whom you'd want to write. For example would be for entrepreneurs, or what expertise do you have that you can share? Like critical thinking, essay writing. Your preference is essential, as you'd need to write for your chosen niche for a long time to acquire an expert tone, boost your confidence, and push your learning curve from beginner to intermediate to expert level. Are you enjoying this video? A like, subscribe and a share will surely be appreciated. Start your money-making journey by getting your free account now. Absolutely for free. Right away. Type the website link below on your favorite internet browser. Second, schedule a video or chat meeting with your client. Make it a point to understand the purpose behind the requested content. This will influence the flow of your article or blog post, as well as help you match the content with its intended readers. You can also use this information to make critical decisions, from jargon usage to adding visuals and graphics that could help illustrate your point. Lastly, don't focus just on making money out of it. Aim to add value to the writing service you provide. So, instead of just meeting the client's requirements, using relevant keywords, meeting word count, or sticking to the topic, present an alternative perspective, an emerging tool, or bust a myth. Be diligent with your research and double-check the credibility of your sources. And that's it for our content today. Hoping that you're continually learning. A like, subscribe and a share will surely be appreciated. If you want to learn awesome money-making opportunities, have your free account today. Don't forget to always maximize your lifestyle. See you on our next video.